Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Violet on PC. To begin, you'll need an emulator, which is software that mimics a game console's hardware. This allows your computer to run games designed for other systems. Ensure your PC meets the recommended specifications for the best experience, typically requiring a modern processor and a dedicated graphics card. We will cover the necessary steps to get everything set up correctly. Next, choose a reliable Nintendo Switch emulator. Popular options are available, but always download from their official websites to ensure safety and the latest version. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. The installation process is usually straightforward, guiding you through selecting an installation directory and creating shortcuts. After installation, launch the emulator to confirm it's working before proceeding. Now, you'll need your Pokémon Violet game file. It's crucial to obtain this legally, for example, by dumping it from your own game cartridge. Once you have the file, load it into your emulator. Then, dive into the emulator's settings. Adjust graphics options like resolution scaling and filtering for visual quality, and tweak performance settings for smoother frame rates. Finally, map your keyboard or a connected gamepad to the in-game controls for comfortable play. To enhance your gameplay, regularly update your emulator and graphics drivers. Developers frequently release updates that improve compatibility and performance. If you encounter issues, try adjusting individual settings like resolution or shader cache. Sometimes, a small tweak makes a big difference. For further assistance or advanced tips, consider joining the emulator's online community forums. They are a great resource for troubleshooting and discovering new ways to optimize your Pokémon Violet experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.